Alright everybody, now that the tripod is unboxed, let's do the second unboxing of the headphones. Sony headphones too. Let's just find out how to unbox this thing. Okay, there we go. Take the bottom part out. We have the 3.5mm cable here, the instruction manual, and now the actual headphones. Let's put all this back in here for now. Get the cable out of here. Small little headphones. Hopefully these will do the trick. I like how smooth the cord is too. Hopefully my camera's not dead yet. Alright. Yep. Tiny little things. If they still hopefully fit pretty good. Let's extend them a little bit. Aha. Yep. This is what I look like. The headphones on. Hopefully this looks good with the cable here. So yeah, put these things to good use, and see you all later. This was an unboxing of a new tripod and a new pair of headphones. I will get the brand names in the titles. So, yep, see you guys later. This is Milt Washington Tech 1999 signing off.